So, now that the S23 Ultra is out of the way, it's time to concentrate on the next big thing, the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which stands atop Samsung's smartphone line. The foldable phone will be released by Samsung in August, so we're still a few months away, but critical information about the phone has already been published, indicating that the Z Fold 5 will not be an incremental improvement, but rather the largest change the Z Fold range has experienced since its creation. We already know that Samsung will use a new teardrop-style hinge mechanism that will not only eliminate the crease permanently, but will also allow the phone to close entirely without a gap in the center. Moreover, it ensures a slimmer profile when the phone is closed, which should fix the most of the flaws of Samsung's foldables. Speaking of flaws, the camera isn't the most powerful weapon in the Z Fold series. Even though Samsung updated the Z Fold 4's camera to 50 megapixels, it still falls short of the Ultra range, which now features a 200 megapixels camera sensor, not to add the absence of a periscope zoom camera on the Z Fold. Nevertheless, Samsung is resolving the problem with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Z Fold 5 is said to include a 108 megapixels primary camera, up from the Z Fold 4's 50 megapixels. While it is not the most recent 200 megapixel sensor, it is an improvement that should remedy the previous Z Fold phone's dismal camera performance. There is no word on whether the optical zoom camera will be upgraded, but the article does suggest that Samsung will adjust the phone's proportions. It is becoming somewhat taller, and the cover screen is becoming a little broader. The inner screen size will very certainly stay at 7.6. They also claim that the phone will be somewhat heavier, weighing 275 grams as opposed to 263 grams for the Z Fold 4. It also states that Samsung would feature a dedicated slot for the S Pen, giving the Galaxy Note range a real progression. Being a Note enthusiast, I've been wondering about this for years, since using the S Pen on the Z Fold phones makes more sense due to the substantially greater screen surface area. Yet, the fact that it is not there in the phone when needed has led to the majority of users not using the S Pen at all. But, this should address the issue. That stated, it's important noting that this claim comes from Vietnam, and the source lacks credibility. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.